today's video, we're going to talk about the applications and potentials of Gemini is one of the very advanced model. So that is Gemini 2.5 Flash in creating deep research documents and websites. Similarly, infographics and other different creations based on that deep research document. So for that, I request you to head to the website of Gemini. So you have to just type gemini.google.com on any browser you like. So you have to log into this platform by using your Google account. And to use the 2.5 Flash model under this Gemini, there are different models available. Like you can see fast all-round help, that is 2.5 Flash. You can use this reasoning math and code 2.5 Pro model, but we are interested in this 2.5 Flash model. So you just write the prompt to develop deep research document, and you have to check this deep research feature of Gemini 2.5 Flash. So let's click here, and if you want to add different documents or files, you can click this and add different documents. But I'm just interested in creating a deep research document. Okay, so for that you have to write a prompt. Like for this task, I write this: do a deep research on the applications of educational technology in education in the era of artificial intelligence. So, well, under 3 to 5 minutes, Gemini has created this very long document. You can see this. So you can see this 30 plus pages document by reading. Like you can see in the document, you can see different links and citations here. You can refer to this different websites documents, and there are tables. You can export this particular ideas created by this model to Google Sheets. And so you can see the list of all the citations it used at the end, like you can see here. So the sources it used to create these deep research documents. Now, what are the things we can do after the creation of this deep research document? Now you can just hit this export button, and you can export this particular document to your Google Docs, and you can just create the contents, and you can copy and paste in other platforms like Microsoft Word or any other platform. Now I'm interested in this create feature. So if you click this one, you can see you can create web pages based on the document content. Similarly, you have infographics feature. You can create quiz, and you can also create the podcast of 2 hosts based on these documents. So for now, I just want to create infographics and some quizzes, right? So for the infographics, just click this infographics. Now you can see the process of this model, and so it is writing the codes for the infographics. You can see it is writing 100 plus lines of code, maybe 200-300 lines of code. And after it finishes writing the codes, you can click this preview button to see the infographics. Okay, so it wrote almost 500 lines of code here, and you can now click this preview button to see the infographics it has created. So it has the AI revolution in education, and you can see a very beautiful infographics. Like you have emojis, you have different icons, you have different pictures, and you can see like core application. You can see the graphs as well, And so very beautiful. So this is the infographic. Share this particular infographics by clicking this share button. So you can share the entire canvas, or you can just copy the codes and you can share with your with other people. Now I'm also interested in quiz and audio related things. So you have to go to that deep research document and go to create section, and here is quiz section. So click this quiz, and it can take maybe 30 seconds. Okay, now it is creating quiz. So you can see we have three quizzes, three questions, four questions, and so it is still creating, but you can see the quiz like MCQs are here. So a school district implements a new AI system that analyzes, so this kind of quiz, and you can see four different options, and you can click one of these options, the right options, after it finishes creating the quiz. Now it has finished creating the quiz. Now if I hit this option A, so it is wrong, and the right answer is this one. And you can go to next, and you can see another question. For example, I am selecting this option B, which is right, and it has also the explanation. So now next, and you can see other questions. So there are altogether 10 questions, and you can explore them. Now let me go to the main document again, the deep research document, and so you can again hit create option and hit this audio overview section. So it now can create podcast of two people talking about the documents and the ideas, the major ideas. Okay, meanwhile, I want to click this expert option and go to this expert to talk option. So it takes few seconds to create the entire Google Doc of this deep research document. So it is now creating. So you can see this. So it has created this AI in education technology research document. You can see almost 33 pages are there, and it has read almost 100 plus different sources to gather all the and synthesize all the major ideas related to my topic, right? Okay, now it has created this 6 minutes long podcast. So it took almost 3 to 5 minutes. Let me open this.
So, have you ever really considered how technology isn't just evolving, but maybe fundamentally reshaping how we learn and teach? Today, we're doing a deep dive into this powerful synergy.
So this is actually a podcast of two people. So you can create the such kind of audio for the deep research created by Gemini 2.5 Flash. So the 2.5 Flash model is very powerful in terms of creating very deep research document, and it is useful for all the persons who want to do very deep research, who don't have so much time in scraping websites, go through all the papers and different sources to analyze and synthesize different documents to build or develop deep research documents. Like for me, who is doing research in educational setting, so this is a very good and very innovative tool for me to do my research.